Looking to get your kid into RC? This is Ray RC, known as DoDoeleph. It's a monster truck, rock crawler, and more. 2.4 gigahertz. Check online for further detail. There's the information provided on the box. Let's open this bad boy up, show you what it's all about. Let's go have some fun. This has a 130 brush motor with left, right, forward, and reverse turning. Let's pull this bad boy out of the box and take the monster truck out. Check online for further detail about the color of the product you are looking for. Power bank charger port. You have a 500 milliamp 3.7 battery known as a 1S battery. You get two. One is included inside the truck, so please read further information about the caution guide and the multi-language manual. You're into repairs. You get a precision Phillips screwdriver that you could take the wheel off, take the battery door off, and change out the two AAA batteries you're going to include yourself. After charging your batteries 2 to 3 hours for the first time, and you have a red light, you're going to have the controller with the two AAA rechargeables or replaceable batteries, and the unit will run up to 60 minutes with the batteries. We're going to show you the controller and the machine that can take a range of up to 40 meters. Remove all tags, open up the battery door, place in your AAA batteries, and close the door. Lock down. Remove the tags on the truck, open up the battery door area, remove the second battery, take the tags off, and place in the fully recharged battery. Carefully match up like for like on the plug, place the battery in, lock down. For unlimited runtime, plug in the other battery and let it charge. As you go over your manual, you can go over each of the functions of the unit. We have a demo mode. We have an on and off that we're going to hit the unit on. We're going to turn the vehicle upside down and turn on. We have a blinking light on the front and rear, as you can see. On the joystick, just go up on the left side. Go back to go back, go left to go left, right to go right. As you can see, it's a one direction button, one single press for right and one single press for left. In demo mode, this is going to operate and do everything that this vehicle can do in the motion. Press the demo mode or press the joystick to stop the unit. What we're going to do is show you the demo mode on the floor and see what it does. It goes forward and back a number of times. It will go left and right a number of times, and forward and back, and repeat till you stop. This is demo mode. By pressing the button once, forward, back, left, right. And it'll continue to do that until it's completed by hitting the back button. On the front of the vehicle, you have a stair control button. You could have it go one direction and always stay that direction. And it's also like a stair trim. Shock absorbers, black and yellow color on the body. Parts of this truck are made of metal and plastic, so if you have a camera that you want to put on, imitation headlights, differentials, and more. Let's go for a spin, show you what this is about. It goes about 5 miles per hour. Set up a ramp. Check online for further details about the colors and schemes you are looking for in this rock truck crawler. This 1/20th scale 130 brushed motor with up to 60 minutes of runtime with the 2 batteries, 2 to 3 hours per battery to charge. Low level driving, you have 2 lights in the front, and you have here are shock absorbers that are spring loaded front and back. They are independent of one another, as you can see. They have a spare tire located in the back of the dune buggy. It's a little smaller than the tire on the truck. They are air cushioned, as you can see. You could squeeze them. Black and yellow, 2 differentials. This is a truck that can go up, climb, make your fun outdoors, set up a trail, do what you want with it. Bouncy, it does a great job. It is 1 speed, 5.5 miles per hour. Single tap controls to go forward and back, right and left. There are no variable controls. Great for kids of all ages. A very nice scale RC truck. I hope you enjoy this product. If this is something that you are looking for in a 40-meter range, enjoy your product if this is right for you.